All right, guys, we got a Honda Pilot here. This is 2012. If you got a 2012 13, same thing. We have a DRL light. I want to show you guys. Start up the engine. Day running light. That's what that stands for. DRL. Okay. And check this out. If you go in the front, first thing you want to check is your bulbs, okay? These are the day running lights right there. One in each corner. This one is out, as you can see. So very simple and easy. What you want to do is, you want to go right back over here. You see this is where the light is. You want to go in the back. Okay, right in the back. You're going to see the bulb, okay? Right down there. So what you want to do is, if you want to shut off the engine, let's shut off the engine for now. Okay, let's cut off the engine first. Okay, so let's cut off the engine. So we're gonna come back to this light right from up over here. If you want to put on some gloves, that'd be a good idea. But you pull on this guy right here, this reservoir right here. You pull up on it, and it will come out to the side just like that if you need to make some space. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna push on this connector right here and remove this connector. You see, yes, I got it right now. And then we're gonna just grab this bulb, if the camera can see it. Where is the camera? If the camera can see it. Okay, let's put the camera in this way. Okay, you can see it like that better. Okay, so you just grab this guy. It's hard to get it, and you twist it counterclockwise, and the bulb will come out. So pretty much what I did was, since this bulb's sitting in it like that, I twisted it this way and took it out. Okay, so this bulb is 9005. That's the number on this bulb. And my camera light died 9005. You're gonna go get another bulb, put that in, and let's see if the light goes away. Okay, so we got a bulb, 9005. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna take this bulb. You simply hold this bulb, and you're gonna take this baby right in, just like that. Okay, you know what? Let me switch up my camera. So we're gonna give it another try. I just made my camera face downward. It's better. Look at that. And then you're gonna put this bulb in. You're gonna grab this guy, try to get it in the bore, and then just, you need to turn this guy clockwise now. And then you take your connector, stick it in, and don't forget to get this guy back into its spot. So you're gonna have to lift a little higher and capture this guy right in the spot, and bada bing, bada boom. That's it. And then let's go inside and take a look if the DR light. Oh wait, oh shoot. Okay, so we're gonna go inside. I didn't do the brakes on the truck, so I need to pump the pedal as well. There you go. The light is gone. All you had to do was change a bulb, okay? Don't go crazy. Don't listen to crazy people, crazy mechanics, or the dealer. All you needed was a bulb. Okay, $10, you can fix this guy. Thank you for watching.